Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the euro gain 0.8% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro gain 0.8% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
China's exports and imports unexpectedly contracted in October, the first simultaneous slump since May 2020, as surging inflation and rising interest rates hammered global demand, while new COVID-19 curbs at home disrupted output and consumption. Software startup Neon Labs will open its gateway for Ethereum-based crypto projects to access the competing Solana ecosystem before the year is out. Neon Labs will launch its Ethereum virtual machine for Solana on December the 12th, CEO Marina Guriyeva said. Meta Platforms Inc. is planning to begin large-scale layoffs this week that will affect thousands of employees, the Wall Street Journal reported, citing people familiar with the matter, with an announcement planned as early as Wednesday.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's coincident index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 0530 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.